Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. I hope that all of you are fine. Today in this video, we will learn prefix and suffix, which you have already learned in your previous class, right? But today we will learn definitions of prefix and suffix and examples of that, okay? So, are you ready for that? Okay, let's start. Definition of prefix. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a word that changes the word's meaning. That means one word it is given and before that word when we add something it is called a prefix. Suppose happy it is a root word or basic word and before happy if we are adding un, so that word will become unhappy. So un it is a prefix and happy it is a root word. But when we combine both the words un plus happy, so that will become unhappy. Okay? I hope that you have understood this. Now we will learn definition of a suffix. Suffix is a word part added to the end of a word that changes the word's meaning. For example, ful. If you add the suffix ful to the base word or to the root word help, the word is helpful. Like this you can add beauty plus full, that is beautiful. If you will add full to the beauty, so beautiful. Okay? Now, learning the meanings of prefix and suffix will help expand your vocabulary, which will help to improve your writing. So, you should learn such kind of words, that is prefix and suffix, which will help you to improve your vocabulary. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. For example, the word unhappy consists of the prefix that is un, which means not. Un. What is the meaning of this? Not. So, combined with the root word or stem word that is happy. The word unhappy means not happy. Now, here you can see the list of prefix. This side you can see the list of prefix, their meaning and as well as examples. So let's see, try to learn all these things and then you have to copy down in your notebook. D, that means from or down, away, reverse, opposite. And here example it is given, that is decode or and decrease. Decode and decrease. The next one, dis, dis. That means not, opposite, reverse, away. Disagree, disappear. Then ex, out of, away from, lacking, former. Examples, let's see this example. XL, XL, explosion. IL, ill, that is not, illegal, illogical. Im, not, without. Impossible, improper. In, that means not, without. Inaction, invisible. Miss, bad, wrong. Mislead, misplace or misbehavior. Non, that means not. Non-fiction, nonsense. pre, that means before. Prefix, prehistory. Then next, pro, that means for, forward, before. Proactive, program. Re, again, back. React, reappear. That means against, not, opposite. Undo, unequal, unusual, and first we have seen the example, that is unhappy, right? Now, suffix. The suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. That means basic word it is given, and after that when we are adding something, that is called suffix. That means when we add something to the root word or basic word, it is called suffix. For example, the word flavorless consists of the root word flavor combined with the suffix less, which means without. Flavorless means without flavor. The word flavorless means having no flavor. Now here, list of suffix. You can see their meaning and example. Able, that means able to or having the quality of. Comfortable, portable. Al, that means relating to. That means here let's see the example of al. Annual, comical. Er, comparative. Comparative degree we have learned, right? In previous class, I think you have learned comparative degree. So, bigger, stronger. EST, superlative degree. Strongest, tiniest. FUL, full of. Beautiful, grateful. IBLE, forming an adjective. Reversible, terrible. ILY, forming an adverb. Happily, lazily. ING, denoting an action, a material. Acting, showing. LESS, less, without, not affected by. Friendless, tireless. LY, forming an adjective. Clearly, overly. NESS, denoting a state or condition. Kindness, wilderness. Y, full of, denoting a condition or a diminutive. Glory, messy, victor. So these are the examples of prefix and suffix. I hope that all of you have understood. So learn all the words and write it with your neat and clean handwriting in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.